Want to know how to care for your succulents? You're in the right place. Succulents are widely loved for their unique beauty and easy upkeep. This guide will provide you with all the insider tips to help them thrive. So let's dive into the world of succulent care. First things first, your succulents need a good home. Choosing the right pot is crucial. It should have drainage holes to avoid waterlogging, as succulents dislike soggy roots. The pot's size and material also matter. Remember, a happy succulent starts with a good home. Now that we've got the pot sorted, let's talk about watering. Succulents thrive with the soak and dry method. Give them a good drink, and then let the soil fully dry out. Be cautious though, overwatering is a succulent's worst enemy. So resist the urge to overwater and let your succulent dry out between waterings. Sunlight is crucial for your succulent's health. These desert beauties thrive in bright, indirect light. If they're stretching out or their color is fading, they may need more light. Conversely, sunburn spots indicate too much sun. In the end, it's all about finding the right balance of light. Last but not least, let's talk about feeding your succulents. Succulents thrive with a balanced fertilizer, ideally during the growing season. An approximate schedule is every 2 weeks from spring to fall. Feed them well, and they'll reward you with their stunning beauty. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a succulent guru. Remember, the right pot, proper watering, ample sunlight, and correct feeding are vital to your desert beauties. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.